Here's how to remove a specific Docker image quickly and easily. I'll show both the Docker Desktop UI and the command line method. First, open Docker Desktop and click Images in the left sidebar. Find the image you want to remove, then click the trash icon next to it. Confirm the deletion, and it's gone. That's the easiest way through Docker UI. Docker Desktop only removes images that aren't being used by a container. If a running or stopped container is using the image, Docker blocks the deletion on purpose. This is a safety measure, so you don't accidentally break something. So what do you do if you want to delete an image that's being used by a container? Go to Containers and find the container that's using that image. Remove the container, then head back to Images and try again. As you can see, once the container is gone, the image is deletable. Click the trash icon again, confirm, and now it's gone. That dependency chain is why Docker blocked the deletion until the container was removed first. It's a safety measure, not a limitation. Now, if you need to remove images by name or ID, or delete several at once, here's how to do it from the terminal. Click the terminal icon at the bottom of Docker Desktop to open it. To remove an image by name, run docker rmi followed by the image name, and it's gone. You can also remove an image by its ID, run docker rmi followed by the image ID, and it's gone. The image IDs shown in Docker Desktop are the same ones you use in the terminal, so you can copy them directly from the interface. If you want to remove multiple images in one command, separate the image names or IDs with spaces. For example, docker rmi, image ID 1, image ID 2, image ID 3, and so on. Then run the command and they'll all be removed at once. If you get an error saying the image can't be deleted, you'll need to force the removal by adding the -f flag. This removes the images without having to run the command repeatedly. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.